Congratulations. If you're watching this video, it means you probably just received Bitcoin as a gift on an Opendime. An Opendime is a small USB stick that holds Bitcoin on it. It makes it ideal for giving as a gift. One of the issues with it, though, is it doesn't have a backup. So you're going to want to remove your Bitcoin from this Opendime as soon as possible. It'll last pretty long. It can take a lot of damage, but it's always better to have a backup. So you want to move it. So the first step. So this whole video, what we're going to do is we're just going to go through really quickly how you, a Bitcoin noob, can remove Bitcoin from this Opendime that you received as a gift. So the first step that you want to do is, and all you're going to need is a phone and a computer. The first step you want to do is, you see this hole right here? It says Bitcoin. You want to unseal the device by sticking a thumbtack or a small nail through the hole, and it's going to push out a little chip that is on the other side of the hole. So once you get that out, it might take a little bit of finagling, but once you get that out, you're going to have an unsealed Opendime, and you're going to stick it into your computer. If you did this correctly, the lights should be red and green. It should be both. If it's just green, it means you have to remove that chip better by sticking the thumbtack in the hole. Now, as you can see, we have the Opendime has popped up on the screen. You're going to want to download Blockstream Green Wallet. It's available on both the App Store and Google Play, so iPhone or Android. And you're going to pull up this QR code. This QR code is the key. So now I'm going to switch to show you the view from the phone. Let's see if I can get this here, because I actually have to film the screen because Blockstream Green blocks screen recording. So you're going to set up your Blockstream Green wallet. I already set up this one. Keep in mind when you do set it up, use a better pin than I just used. But keep in mind those seed words, those backup words, the offline backup words that they gave you, make sure you store them in a safe place, because they're the backup for your Bitcoin if something happens to your phone. Now you simply want to just click Settings here, Settings, scroll down, click Sweep from Paper Wallet, click Main Account or whichever wallet you have there. You're going to give Green permission to use the camera, and then you're going to scan that QR code that I showed on the screen before, and you're going to pick your fee. It shows how much money is on the Opendime. In this case, it's 100,000 sats. Well, 99,000 sats. It's going to show a recipient address. That's your own address. It's a green wallet, and then you can pick a fee depending on how long you're willing to wait. I'm willing to wait here, so I'm going to press Review. Sweep from Paper Wallet. In this case, that's an Opendime, and you're good to go. Now your Bitcoin is safely on your green wallet from the Opendime. Very easy to do. You can do it very quickly, and congratulations. You now have Bitcoin that's easy to spend. Hope you found that helpful. My name is Matt Odell with Tales from the Crypt. You can find us at tftc.io or searching Tales from the Crypt in your favorite podcast app or on YouTube. We have both audio content, video content, and we have a daily newsletter written by my co-host Marty Bent. Cheers, freaks. Stay humble, stack sats.